Hello, welcome to Weeshine Machinery. Weeshine Machinery is a professional manufacturer of the packaging machine. This is our complete set of metrical packaging machines, model WPV200. The maximum film width is 450 millimeters. It is used for packing products like chips, snacks, candies that have a closed loop. Complete WPV200 system includes functions: Z-type conveyor for product lifting, a multi-hand wheel for accurate wheel, a metrical packaging machine with date rating and few roll packaging capability, and a discharge conveyor for back output. This system has a small sprint, fast speed, high efficiency. The total height of this machine is 2,600 millimeters. If you have any product packing needs, Weeshine is ready to provide the packing solution and machinery. Please connect Weeshine Machinery.